I'm from India. He's now currently a postdoc researching at Stanford Institute, working on bioinformatics. Now we're going to do a short interview with you.
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay, so just relax. It will be just simple questions.
Yeah.
And just enjoy your time.
So can you explain?
First, I will explain myself. I'm Aftab Alam, and I came from India. My basic education was done in India, and my PhD is completed from India also, from Jamia Millia Islam University. My field of expertise is like bioinformatics and computational biology.
Okay, what is the meaning of bioinformatics, computational biology?
Yeah,
is there any differences between systems biology and bioinformatics?
Yeah.
So, what is your advice of the candidates of bioinformaticians?
So bioinformatics basically an interdisciplinary field of including mathematics, biology, and computer science. So basically, bioinformatics used as a tool to analyze biological data, analyze, visualize, and manage the biological data which is produced by our wet lab scientist researcher. So basically, in one line, you can say bioinformatics is like a tool which can use to analyze the biological data.
Which type of biological data? For example,
Yeah.
if you are talking about proteins, it's called proteomics, right?
Yeah.
So if you are saying about
Any omics data, like genomics,
any
proteomics, and like multiomics, any data,
Any data.
we can explain, we can analyze in this field.
So are these two terms are same or not?
Yeah,
Systems
both are
biology
same.
and bioinformatics?
No, not system biology is different thing. System biology is in here we check the system level understanding. If you are in a specific protein interaction network, that is a system in the cell cycle. So we have to analyze in a system level manner what are the complexes, what are the functional module in the protein interaction network. So that is separate from bioinformatics, but it is a application of bioinformatics.
Bioinformatics.
Yeah.
Now for the audience who actually want to specialize in this kind of field in bioinformatics, what are actually your advice to this kind of people?
For
what can you suggest them?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's important.
Yeah.
If someone wants to be a bioinformatician.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So nowadays, bioinformatics is an integral part of the research. So everyone, even not came from biological background, but as well as any pure computational biologists. So everyone should have a knowledge of all the data analysis.
Yeah.
So for bioinformatics, you should know about some basic programming language. Especially, I recommend R and Python, which is most widely used in data analysis in this field, and somehow you have knowledge of some computational skills including Excel and basically Excel with Microsoft skills. And more important thing, if you become a good bioinformatician, if you have knowledge of biology, then you can correlate the
You can combine biology
them.
and bioinformatics.
So basically, if you are becoming a good bioinformatician, you should knowledge of basic programming skill, language R, Python, and some basic biological skill, including transcription in genomics part.
Maybe understanding to biological processes.
Biological process.
It's important.
What are the process going on? Why we are doing this? So that question will be solved if you know biology.
Also, which pathways are important for our question?
Yeah.
And then you are right, because you are taking some gene ontology
Yes.
things and pathways analysis. So if you are not,
if you know that our result produce this particular cell cycle, so why cell cycle?
Why cell cycle is important
For
this
our
analysis.
result, then you can collaborate, you can integrate with our project which we are working in our results, then we can make a good story.
Yeah. Also, you are an example. You are coming from chemistry background, and then you shifted your career to bioinformatics.
Yeah, exactly.
So, what is your story?
Yeah.
How you can decide to shifting your career chemistry to bioinformatics?
Okay, so in starting when I just entered in the chemistry as a graduate student, but I feel that I'm not good student in chemistry. So basically, chemistry is just like a I don't understand anything, even mechanism, chemistry,
Like this structures.
just structure like some images. So basically, you can say I study chemistry in an image format, not a text format. So that's why I'm always afraid of chemistry. So then when my graduation completed, so just I shift to like in bioinformatics.
Are you enjoying with bioinformatics?
Yeah, too much enjoying.
Too much.
I have too much stress during my graduation, BSc graduation, and as we compare from after graduation, I never like arrested in that situation.
Understood.
I enjoyed my master, my PhD.
It's good thing in life.
Yeah.
If you are enjoying, so
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can
I'm
have
also
everything.
enjoying my research. Always I enjoying.
Yeah. Maybe also one of the questions, I mean, what is actually the main difference between computational chemistry and bioinformatics? I mean, do they actually cover this, I mean, the same research area? Or, I mean, what are actually the key differences between these two actually, I mean?
That computational biology and computational chemistry both are working in a same base, but application are different. Like if you are talking about computational chemistry, that's mean you are model some chemical tools like some compounds,
I see.
and you are doing some analysis in chemistry only,
I see.
specifically
Yes.
chemistry.
So you're analyzing the mechanism actually is kind of similar the mechanism.
Yeah,
itself,
anything.
Right? I see.
So that's why nowadays that part also called chemoinformatics.
I
So
see.
that is just separated that part because it is too vast already. If you mix them with biology, then
I
we
see.
can't get full attention in the chemistry
I see.
and that information technology. So that's why many scientists or researchers just shift to that term into a single word like chemoinformatics.
And what are the most popular softwares actually kind of information actually work with? Can you just actually maybe just, I mean,
Yeah, for like
tell someone would tell some
Is it depends on your analysis?
exactly, it is depend on what are you doing. Like if you are interested in docking and simulation, then people prefer like showing the Discovery Studio, GROMAX, and Amber, all these things. If you are talking about like system biology, then you go for protein interaction network databases. Many databases are there. Then you use Cytoscape and other databases. And in like here, we use lots of scripting language to analyze the huge proteomics, transcriptomics, any omics data. So here, depends on what type of data you are going to study. So as per study, you can choose your tool and software. And many tools are very like freely available, and many tools are like you have to take subscription by institution, and they are very costly. No one individually can purchase easily.
Yeah, like imaging. So we have one software. It's called Imaris. Also, it is too costly.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
if you want to do analysis like the advanced level, so you have to pay some.
Yeah,
something.
exactly. Subscription. You have
Yeah,
to pay.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Also, I think the last question.
No, you can ask.
Yeah.
I'm-
Are you happy in US and what are you doing in our lab?
Yeah, I'm happy.
or maybe
They-
that's why we can like this. I mean, why actually you want to come to US from India? I mean,
Yeah.
Like,
what was one of the main reasons to
Yeah,
come to US?
that's a good question because in India, people think that in US there is a life changing life there must be, but when people came here, just work here, then realize
Just
my
short.
comfort zone my comfort zone is in India, not here, because here people are working real science,
Yep.
not a fake
Advanced
science.
level, I think.
Advanced level. But there is also too much funding in India. But people are just focus on just publish paper.
Okay.
Here,
So from a scientific point of view, it's very beneficial right, to come
of
to
course,
US.
it is beneficial and learning is still more. So that's why everyone who has completed their PhD must visit any labs in USA and work hard here. So that will be beneficial in whole life to that
Yeah.
scientist.
Also, we are in good institution.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
MSK is.
Yeah, MSK is one of the best institute, and
And what kind of research are you doing right now in this group, and what's your project? Just to sum up in 1-2 sentences.
yeah,
your
one
project?
sentence I'm working on efficient biomics.
It's like-
This is a very interesting topic and very emerging topic. In the coming, in my opinion, in the coming 5 to 6 years, that epigenetics makes a good stand among the scientists. Now it is an initial stage, but we are working hard.
Yes.
So maybe after 5 years, everyone knows epigenome.
I mean, you're now with Dr. Sadiq in the same group. I mean, it's a kind of a collaboration project, or actually everyone in this own project. I mean, can you just?
Yeah, it is a collaborative project. We are working collaborated with Will Corner, Columbia University, New York University.
Yeah.
So everyone we have collaborated and analyzed the data.
I see.
So
Yes,
we are
sir.
a very big group, and Dr. Kiosis is a very good scientist and very good supportive.
Good
Yes.
boss.
Good boss. So he has given time to learn. She give a time to learn, and she always ready to help you. What kind of help you want, she is always ready. She
is also very supportive, right?
Yes, she is
In
very
terms of
supportive.
science, okay,
If
that's
I,
nice.
in my opinion, if I am working here, I will work here for a longer time. Definitely, I will work under the supervision of Dr. Kiosis if I am working here in the USA, because she is a very good boss.
Yeah, I think also a good topic. So
Yeah,
it's
topic is
important to
also-
understand the molecular mechanism of epichaperone, because also it is like new
Yeah, yeah.
term.
Yeah.
So
It is
we
a
have
new
to-
term because
yeah.
epichaperone word was given by our boss. So that's the thing that everyone will, after 5 years, we are becoming famous.
Yeah. So also in our group, for example, Aftab is doing some informatic
Yeah.
things, bioinformatician parts. Also, I am doing some imaging parts. Anyone is doing some
Molecular
parts of
yeah.
project, and then we are coming together, and then we are preparing some
Manuscript. Yeah.
That's it. It's good thing. I think.
Good thing, yeah.
Do you want to say more something?
I don't
about
think so.
life, about science.
Yeah.
This is short.
But my one suggestion I will give you, all of which are coming to interested to in that postdoc position. So work hard and enjoy.
Okay.
Yes.
So
I don't know.
So
agree
keep
with
balance
this.
between work.
keep balance or work and
work and free time, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, every time
Yeah.
it has to be like that. That life and
Yeah.
career
Definitely.
Definitely.
must be balanced.
That's
Okay.
true.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
It was a great pleasure for us. I mean, to us today. It was very nice.
Thank you.
We really
For
enjoyed
me
it.
too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
also for the audience, I mean, don't forget to subscribe for Dr. Sadiq.
Please
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yes, channel, YouTube channel. Very
Yeah,
important.
Okay.
Because more videos are coming.
Yeah.
We promise.
Hopefully.
Great.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Thank you.
Okay. See you.
Bye.
See you. Bros.